In this video, we'll do one of the validations in JavaScript. The question is, create HTML form in Composer which consists of text box for entering marks and submit button. User should enter numeric data in marks text box. But if user does not enter numeric data in marks text box, then an error message, please enter numeric data in the text box, should be displayed to the user. Now let us do this question in Composer. We'll insert the form first. Insert form, define form. Kindly remember the name of the form. We'll name it as form 1. Action URL .php. Get or post any method you can select. Now, important is click on advanced edit button. In that, click on JavaScript events tab. Attribute should be on submit. In value, we will type return, then space, validate form is the name of the function which we will define in JavaScript. So on submit is the attribute, value it is return, validate form. And then we have put the parenthesis which is empty. Okay. Okay. Now in the form, we'll create the text box. Insert form field. Input type should be text and name of the text box marks. Okay. Insert. Now we'll create the submit button. Insert form field. Field type is submit button. Field name and value both will write submit. If you don't write field value and click on OK, the name of your submit button will be submit query. Not to worry, you can right click this submit button, click on form field properties, click on value, type submit. From beginning, when you are creating, you select submit button, field name you write submit, field value you write submit and click on OK, then this type of submit button will be created. And if submit query comes, not to worry, right click form fields and change the name, change the value of the submit button. Now we'll click on source tab /title field. You can see the script tag /title. Press enter few times. Now beneath it, write the tag script in which we are supposed to write the coding of JavaScript. In script tag, we will define the function. So function keyword, then name of the function, validate form. Then we'll open the function, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. Now in this function definition, we declare a variable x equal to document dot name of the form 1 dot name of the text box marks1 dot value. That will fetch the content of marks text box. If is NaN, there is no space, both N are capital, and as a parameter in parenthesis we will pass the variable x which we have declared above it, and then we open the if block with curly bracket open and close. Now in if we write 3 statements. Let us start writing it. Document. No, first we'll write alert, which will generate the error message. So our error message is, please enter numeric data in the text box. And end of the statement we put semicolon. Next line, we put the cursor in the marks text box. So for that we write document dot form1 dot marks dot focus method. That will bring the cursor to the marks text box, and then we write return false. So this much code we have written. We save the file js2 .htm should be the extension. Where will we save? On desktop. Let us see the output. Click on submit button. Write for example text and click on submit button. We get an error message. Please enter numeric data in the text box. If we write numeric data, we won't get the error message. We go back. If we don't write anything, then also we will not get the error message, because we have written the code for the data in case it is written in the text box, and if that is not numeric data, then it will display the error message, please enter numeric data in the text box. Thank you.